You yawn when you're tired, but there's more to it. Scientists discovered yawning actually cools your brain. Just like a computer needs a fan to prevent overheating, your brain needs yawning to function optimally. What's even crazier? Seeing someone yawn can make you yawn too, thanks to a phenomenon called contagious yawning. It's linked to empathy centers in the brain, showing our deep social connections. Next time you yawn, think about your brain's inner workings. Follow for more science facts and share this with a friend who loves brainy insights.